Today we're gonna be reviewing a 15.4 LED ceiling light. Here's what comes in the box. A huge lamp. See, so we got the lamp. It's huge. That's how big it is. Pretty big. LED lights. So it will save energy. 2 cable installation with a lock, so it doesn't fall on your head. Easy installation. It's super thin, super easy to install. It has a remote control. It's dimmable. You can change the temperature of the light. You can get it cool, or you can get it a little bit warmer or warm. It has a manual. Tells you everything you need to know. How to install it. What to do, what not to do. It's overall a great light, easy to mount. You already have one there. All you have to do is take it out, put this one up, put the hardware, the screws, and turn it on. That's it. So let's go install it and see how it looks. Now we lower it and close it. There you have it. There you have its flush mount. See how it looks? Nice and bright. So I definitely recommend it. Easy installation. Simple, quick, and looks really nice and modern. So I definitely recommend it. Nice flush look.